Well, it's time to sail into summer cleaning this season with Dayton and Cincinnati's Junk King.
And joining us in this sponsored segment is Chief Operating Officer Jason Lefker. Jason, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. You know, I want to talk about summer deals. It's getting that time. Maybe you want to clean out your house a little bit during the summertime. So let's talk about summer deals that the Junk King has going on.
We are currently running a summer 50 promo. So if you go on our website or you call our 1-888-888-JUNK number, we'll give you $50 off any job. And that includes dumpster rentals as well.
Oh, we need that. You know, I never really did my spring cleaning, so that's why we're like summer cleaning. We're in that right time era right now. So I want to ask, especially, you guys are very unique in what Junk King does, because it sounds like that you don't just dump things into landfills necessarily.
That's really what separates us from all of our competitors. There is, in our industry, we are the only junk removal service that has our own recycling center, which is located in Cincinnati. We have a hub here in Dayton, and we'll ship that stuff down to Cincinnati. But our goal is to donate, recycle, repurpose up to 100% of anything we touch. So that's really what separates us from our competition. Our competitors will go straight to the landfill. They only have to handle it once, so it's a little bit more money for them in their pocket. We have to handle it multiple times, but we make sure it finds a new home to create new memories with a new family.
That's beautiful.
Well, and besides, you know, just cleaning out, we have a couple pictures right there of like some of the stuff you guys do. Besides just helping someone clean out their house, you guys also tear down old structures that could be potential liabilities as well.
Sure, we take down fences and sheds, and we'll take out hot tubs. Really what we do is we do things that people either don't want to do themselves or can't do themselves. So Light Demo is right in that alley, and we have no problem taking care of people like that.
Oh, we need your call for sure. So you mentioned some of the common jobs that you do, but what are the most popular items right now during the summertime?
During the summertime, a lot of people are getting new patio furniture and replacing grills and that kind of outdoor stuff. So we're seeing a lot of that, and believe it or not, basements got really wet this spring. So we're cleaning out a lot lot that had some interesting.
Man, you do it all.
Yes.
You really do. My poor dad had to do the deck I was telling you about.
No.
You guys would have been great.
Yeah. Junk King would have been able to help.
And you know, one thing I love about Junk King is you guys do everything. So if someone's watching this and are like, maybe do they do this? Do they do that? It's always great to call you guys and see if you guys do that. 2 words: we help. So that's what we do. There's no job too big or too small. We have a great resource for just about anything that you guys would want to get rid of. So it's good to have them on speed dial.
Well, speed dial, and like, is it easy to contact you if it says, hey, can you guys take X, Y, and Z if we're not sure?
Sure. The main thing to remember is we could take anything that's non-hazardous, obviously, but if you want to get on our website, it's www.junk-king.com, or you can just go to junkking.com. They'll both direct to the right website. Or you can call our 188 number, which is 1-888-888-JUNK, which spells 1-888-888-5865.
And so if someone's watching this and they're like, I have to get Junk King. I have to get up and do something. How do they set up an appointment for you guys?
It's real easy. Like I just said, you could do it online. You could do it through the 188 number, or you could do it through SMS, which is connected to the website.
Oh, easy.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, viewers at home, we have all the information right there on your screen. Be sure to mention that promo code SUMMER50 to get $50 off any job. And like you said, call that 188 number, and Junk King can definitely solve all your summer cleaning problems. Jason, it was so great chatting with you today.
Thank you so much.
Of course. And this segment was sponsored by Junk King.